Hey there, having trouble with a pesky line on your screen? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a vertical line on OLED TV screen LG and get your viewing experience back to crystal clear quality. Dealing with a vertical line on your LG OLED TV can be frustrating, but don't worry. With a few troubleshooting steps and a bit of patience, you might just fix the issue without needing professional help. Step 1. Perform a simple restart. The first step in troubleshooting any tech issue is to perform a simple restart. Turn off your LG OLED TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure that all residual power is drained from the TV's components. Plug it back in and turn on the TV. Sometimes a system restart can resolve temporary glitches, including vertical lines, by resetting the calibration of the screen. Step 2. Check cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can often result in display issues, such as vertical lines. Ensure that all connecting cables, especially HDMI cables, are securely attached. Disconnect the cables and inspect them for any visible damage. Faulty cable can cause interference with the signal transmission. If you find any damage, try replacing the cable with a high-quality one like HDMI 2.1. Reconnect all cables and check if this resolves the issue. Step 3. Access the picture test. LG OLED TVs come with built-in diagnostic tools such as the picture test. Access this feature by going to Settings, Picture Test. The TV will display a test image. Check the test image for vertical lines. If the lines are present in the test image, the issue might be with the TV panel itself. If the test image is clear, the issue might lie with the input source or an external device. Step 4. Update the firmware. An outdated firmware might cause display issues, including vertical lines. Check if there is a software update available for your LG OLED TV. To do this, go to Settings, All Settings, About this TV, check for updates. If there's an available update, download and install it. This step ensures that your TV is equipped with the latest fixes and enhancements that might resolve display problems. Step 5. Examine the external devices. If the issue persists, it could be due to connected external devices such as set-top boxes, gaming consoles, or Blu-ray players. Disconnect all external devices and reconnect them one at a time to identify the culprit. Additionally, try connecting your LG OLED TV to a different device to see if the vertical line disappears. This process helps in diagnosing whether the problem stems from the input source or another device. Step 6. Contact LG support. If none of the above steps resolve the vertical line issue, it might be time to contact LG customer support or seek professional repair services. The issue could be a manufacturing defect or relate to the internal components of the screen, such as the display panel or T-Con board. Your TV might still be under warranty, which would cover the repair expenses. Dealing with how to fix a vertical line on OLED TV screen LG can be a hassle, but by following these troubleshooting steps, you can identify the root cause and potentially resolve the issue on your own. Remember, regular maintenance and checking for software updates can help prevent similar problems in the future. Whether it's performing a simple restart, checking your cables, utilizing diagnostic tools, updating firmware, or examining external devices, there's a solution that's suitable for every scenario. If all else fails, professional help is just a call away. Here's to restoring the perfect picture to your lavish LG OLED TV and enjoying your favorite shows uninterrupted.